if you haven't eaten yet, because in this video we have a lot of food. We are now at the Sustainability Hub for a cooking challenge. Let's see if the participants make it or break it in the kitchen. Can you tell us what will happen here?
Yeah, we're actually going to be having a sort of MasterChef inspired cooking challenge, and we're going to have participants who will have to think out of the box and create delicious plant-based vegan meals.
And what do you mean by out of the box?
Out of the box, like quite literally, we're going to have a couple ingredients that are a mystery, so they don't know what they're going to be cooking with.
Yes, what is this?
We're making like a pad thai with like Japanese flavors included in it. Yeah, and well, we're freestyling a lot of things, so we're not 100% sure yet.
So we're making zucchini and leek as well over there.
You don't use the tempeh?
Nope, because we don't know how to cook that, so we're like not going into that way.
We didn't really come to win, but we both love cooking, so that's why we kind of participated in the first place, right? Right?
What are the criteria?
So we have the normal kind of criteria that you expect from any cooking contest, but we also are incorporating a sustainability criteria as well. For our sustainability criteria, we added the seasonality, so whether or not the fruits and the vegetables are in a season. The other criteria is the actual carbon emissions footprint.
3, 2, 1, everybody hands in the air!
Okay. Moment of truth.
Quite hard to figure out who the winner was because we had 2 favorites, but the winning team was Team 2, which is Idiot Sandwich.
What's your secret ingredients actually?
Friendship.
Oh my god.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.